I'm getting organized for the Super Bowl. I don't know if this is going to help you at all or not, but here's what I'm doing. I'm bringing out my past from 1979, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful. Okay, I was a cheerleader. I did wear a uniform. I had pom-poms. The first cheer we did was roll them over, lay them flat, pin the shoulders to the mat. Oh, wait, that was wrestling. Scratch it. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the right one. Tip it our way, tip it our way, basketball. Basketball, no. This is football, Dorothy, remember? Think of the cheers. Yes, I've got it. 1st and 10, do it again, go. 1st and 10, do it again, go. You know, I just think we better scratch this. I know that I love my hometown Richland Center Hornets. That's the team I used to cheer for, so I'll cheer for them. Everybody else, you cheer for your teams. Good luck. You want to get organized? Come visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com.